So I have been using the textured side to print on lately. So, there's different, there's a flat side, it's nice and smooth. I've been doing that for months. Started to try the textured side, and as you can see, it's more of a matte finish. And one of the problems is sometimes your models won't stick to it very well because it's textured. So it doesn't really hit the holes. It doesn't seep into the holes very well. So the thing I learned I had to do was to increase the bed temperature about 5 or 10 degrees. So if you have that problem too, just increase the bed temperature so that the adhesion increases with the first layer filament that you put down. Otherwise, you're going to have issues. This is PLA. PTEG, which is the stronger stuff. That will actually stick really well on these surfaces because the bed needs to be hotter for this kind of filament. So the bed's already super hot, so the filament will stick better anyways if you use PTEG, but I don't use this a lot. So this is just basic PLA, but to do that you have to use temperature bed about 5 degrees. Hope that helps.